Hey guys, welcome to Total Technik. In this video we're focusing on the Audi A6, S6 and RS6 C5 saloon and avant models, and we're going to be focusing on how to remove your gear stick for the automatic model. This is the gear stick trim right here. So let's get stuck in. So first stage, you've got this little silver bit of trim just below the kind of leather or plastic section of the handle, just here. So this is the bit we're going to get rid of first of all. So if you just grab hold of it and kind of push it downward, you have to give it a bit of a wiggle, that will just slide down like so. So that's your first stage. Okay, so with the bottom section slid down there, ready to remove this, what you want to do is grab the thumb controller here, pull that out, and you want to grab the whole thing and pull it upward whilst holding this out. So hold that out, grab the whole thing, wiggle and pull upward, and there it is. That is the gear knob removed.